Hi, I'm Karina Fraley and we are making our headband. So now we're going to go ahead and sew it. We're just going to use a small straight stitch. You're going to go ahead and start at the top. Okay, so go ahead and put your fabric under and put your foot down. And then you're going to go ahead and start the machine and then do a couple back stitches because that creates a knot. And then I start very slow just to make sure that everything's working on my machine. And then I go ahead and I speed it up. You can go as fast or as slow as you're comfortable doing. And go ahead and pull the pins out as you go along so that they don't get caught under the needle. And that's it. Just guide your fabric, never force it through. Let the machine do its job. And this is another one of those things that you can have your kids help you out with. It can help you choose the fabric, and you can make tons of them. They make great gifts. Kids love them. Okay, so when you get closer to the end, you can slow down your stitch because you are going to want to go ahead and do a back stitch to create that knot. Okay, and then you lift up the foot, you take it out, you cut the thread, and next we're going to turn it inside out and put in the elastic. So I'll see you in the next clip.